Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start elderberry cuttings. Propagating elderberries from cuttings is a rewarding and cost-effective way to expand your garden. We'll cover selecting the right material, preparing your cuttings properly, and ensuring they have the best chance to root successfully. Get ready to grow more of these beneficial plants with our simple, step-by-step guide. Once you have your healthy, dormant stems, it's time to prepare them. Use a sharp knife or pruners to make cuttings approximately 6 to 8 inches in length. Each cutting should have at least 2 nodes, which are the points where leaves or branches emerge. Carefully remove any leaves from the bottom half of your cutting to prevent rot and encourage root growth. Now for the rooting process. Dip the bottom 1 inch of each cutting into a rooting hormone powder to stimulate root development. Next, plant your prepared cuttings into a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix, such as a blend of peat and perlite. Ensure the soil remains consistently moist, but not waterlogged, and keep the cuttings in a warm, bright location away from direct sun. With proper care, your elderberry cuttings should begin to root within 4 to 6 weeks. You can gently check for root development by tugging lightly on a cutting. Once a strong root system has formed, you can transplant your new elderberry plants into larger pots or directly into your garden. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.